Welcome to the majestic world of the Ibex, one of the nature's most incredible mountain dwellers. In this video, we'll explore the life of these remarkable creatures, their habitats, behaviors, and the challenges they face in wild. Ibex are found in a rugged mountain ranges across the Europe, Asia, and Northern Africa. They thrive in rocky terrain where they can expertly navigate steep cliffs and rocky outcrops. There are several species of ibex, with the Nubian ibex, alpine ibex, and the Siberian ibex being the most well known. Each species is uniquely adapted to survive in harsh mountain environments. Both male and female ibex have very long horns, which are used for territorial defense and sexual selection. They curve backward, forming a semicircle, and have a knobby rings on the outer curve. Ibex have a powerful, stocky bodies and long curved horns that can grow up to 3 feet long. These impressive horns are not just for show. They play a vital role in the male-to-male competition during mating season. These battles can be intense, showcasing strengths and dominance. The winner earns the right to mate with the females, ensuring his genes are passed on to the next generation. Fibrous plant. Other ibex are attentive parents, staying with their kids for up to a year. Young ibex learn essential survival skills like climbing and foraging from their mothers. Ibex make their homes on cliffs that would be dangerous for predators. The alpine ibex can live at altitude as high as 8,200 to 14,800 feet in cliffs of the South European highlands. The Nubian ibex has a special way to deal with the hot, dry climates of the African and the Arabian mountains. Their shiny coat reflects sunlight and keeps them cool. Ibex are social and live in groups called herds. The herds are separated by gender, meaning males will have a herd and the females and offspring will be another herd. The two herds usually meet only during breeding season. Ibex are typically about 1 to 5.5 feet from their hooves to withers, the highest part of the shoulders at the base of the neck. Ibex tend to weigh about 65 to 265 pounds. The ibex is the symbol of the wilderness and resilience. By supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam our mountains for the generations to come. If you enjoyed the journey into the world of Ibex, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. Thanks for watching.